Today we're gonna change up the lid for this Maytag washer AM WB855DC3, and this hinge here is broken. You can see it's broken right there. So it pops right there. It doesn't close well. The lid doesn't lock. So to take out the screws, there's on this side here is that TT torque screw is T15. So try to check it out right now. Yeah, loosen it up. So taking both sides off already, and this door should come out. Pop out of here. You can see it fell apart. It's broken. So this is the new lid out of the box. So now we're line up heads. Here we go. So far it lined up. Now we're putting the screws on. This is a T15 torque screw. We put on the other one, lined up. So just gotta hang tighten it, not too hard. You feel it. On the left side. It's done. We can try it, see if it works. And let's see. This is the new lid. And it closes. See if it comes on. See if it locks. Normal, no issues. Okay, it locks, it works. That's all, folks. And you can take out this cover. Now it says lid lock, so it works. This off. Okay, you're done in 5 minutes. Good to go.